Today we're going to be cooking in Morocco. My name is Maria, and I traveled 10 African countries, gathering stories and recipes for the cookbook, Eating with Africa. In the book, there are 4 stories and 5 recipes from Morocco. And one of the recipes, the one that we'll be doing today, I was traveling through the Atlas Mountains, and I stopped at a guest house called Dar Zara, owned by Mohammed Jamil. And in the morning, I was served Msemn. Literally translated means the fat maker. Put a lot of butter inside. A good Moroccan prays 5 times a day, but they also drink tea 5 times a day. So don't forget your tea, and let's start cooking. For 15 pancakes, you need 750 grams of flour, 250 grams of semolina, a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. 300 grams of butter and 300 grams of oil together. Heat it up so that it's liquidy. And now we're going to add water. Warm water. Ouch, a bit too hot. You'll need around 500 milliliters of water. Then you knead it, and you knead it for 10 minutes. At the end it shouldn't stick, and it should be elasticy. So I'm hungry, so I'm going to try and do this fast. You take your dough, and we're going to want to make as many round balls as we need pancakes. I'm also taking a little bit of oil in my hands so that I can roll the balls better. Oil your working surface. Take the balls that you've prepared. They should be all the same size. You're going to spread it out. Always adding a bit of your mixture from your oil and your butter and some semolina. And keep stretching and stretching them until the dough is like a baked pizza, nice and round. Cooking takes time. This is something where you need practice in. So in Morocco, you're a good cook if you use your hands. Ow, 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 ow. Cook it on a low flame. It takes around 5 to 8 minutes. So I put some almond mousse and some honey on it. And because I'm so hungry and I can't wait, I'm gonna start eating. The cook is allowed to eat one before. Just perfect. Oops, gotta turn over that pancake. I'm just about to go over to my neighbors. Because in Africa, you don't just cook together, you also eat together. I hope to see you next time, Eating with Africa.